We had the worst flood in the last 100 years, and many people have died. More people have lost their homes. People are not getting foods, and add to that, people are getting various diseases. And in fact, a team from our own city of Pune, where I grew up, had gone to Kerala to help the medically needy persons. A team of doctors from Pune, along with my friend Dr. Abhijit Vaidya, they visited Kerala, the Nook, and the small corners of Kerala, and provided medical help. In fact, I even helped that organization that is called Arogya Sena in Maharashtra, and they went all the way to Kerala to help those people. So I am part of that organization too. So I wish you all the best in helping the people of Kerala. Raji, my wife with me. She is also equally dedicated to the cause of public service and social work. Round of applause, guys. Thank you. Thank you all know. I'm now a small business.
Yeah, you want to say? I think he would explain better what he does. I wanted to say that you see his banner over there. Any insurance needs that you have, please reach out to him or his wife. She's also helping her. You have business cards. The numbers are there, and on the website, if you go to our website, same information will be always constantly flashing. So any insurance needs that you have, please reach out to him. He's there to help. And we asked him only once. He doesn't know what we do. I met him at an event, the Kerala Association that they organized. I just spoke to him and he readily agreed to do so. We're very thankful to him and we really appreciate that. So, thank you so much.
My request to all the young men here, please have some life insurance. Even if you get something from your company or the organization, that's not enough. Looking into that very dangerous life we lead in this country, we must provide for the security of our loved ones. So please go for a life insurance, whether you take it from me or anybody else, it doesn't matter. But please provide for the future of your family.
Thank you so much, sir. It's cold. We really appreciate you coming down here. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. From the whole team Strive and all the players who have come here to support us, we really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ganesh. Photo.